Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that you all are good, safe and fine. So, tell me one thing, are you enjoying all the videos which ma'am is sending to you? Really? Okay, well that's very nice. And I want to tell you that ma'am also enjoys a lot when she is making these type of learning videos for all of you. And I also enjoy when I see your homework that you send me through WhatsApp. Wonderful. Keep up the good work. And yes, thank you. Thank you for doing such a wonderful work. So, today I'm in a mood to sing a song for all of you. And I also want all of you to join me. Okay? Would you like to join ma'am? Yes, very nice. Okay, so let's sing a song. Okay? And after that, we will move on to the topic. Alright?
Mr. Circle, you're so round and round and round. You can roll on the ground, you can roll all around. Mr. Circle, you're so round and round and round. You can roll on the ground, you can roll all around. Mr. Square, good morning, how are you? Take care of your four sides and your four corners too. Mr. Square, good morning, how are you? Take care of your four sides and your four corners too. Mr. Triangle, you look like a pyramid. Won't you join me on my train as Mr. Square did? Mr. Triangle, you look like a pyramid. Won't you join me on my train as Mr. Square did? Mr. Rectangle, oh will you join us too? My wagons are comfortable and shaped just like you. Mr. Rectangle, oh will you join us too? My wagons are comfortable and shaped just like you.
So, how was the song? Did you like it? Yes, ma'am also liked it a lot. Can you tell me about which topic did you learn in this song? Yes, shapes. Shapes are everywhere. Okay, what do you know about the shapes? You know, shapes are everywhere. Yes. You see, whatever you see around yourself, it has a shape, right? And what do you know about the 2D shapes? Well, 2D shapes means two-dimensional shapes. So, what do you know about the 2D shapes? Okay, I will tell you. Well, 2D shapes cannot stand on their own. Alright, and 2D shapes can be drawn on the paper. So, just suppose that you are in a classroom. Okay, so what do you see there? You see that your teacher is sitting on this side of the desk, and whereas you are standing on the other side of the desk, right? So, if you look at the desk from the top, it will look something like this, right? If you look at the desk from the top, it will look something like this. So, at one side, your teacher is sitting, and on the another side you are there. Okay, so there are two sides, but apart from that you can see that two more sides are there, one and the other one. So you can say that there are four sides of this shape. There are four sides of this shape, or there are four sides of this table. Okay, so we can say that this shape has four sides. Okay, or this table had four sides. Okay, tell me one more thing. Do you remember when you were small? When you were a small kid, your special care was taken so that you do not bump your head in this corner, right? Because these corners are very sharp. If you bump your head in this corner, then you will hurt yourself. Okay, so your special care was taken that time. But tell me, if you look at this table, how many such corners this table has? How many such corners this table has? Let's count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, this, and then 4. Yes, so this table has 4 such corners. Alright, now tell me what exactly these corners are. So, if we sum up the things, so we get to this point that corner is something that joins two lines. Right? Corner is something that joins two lines. So, see, this corner is joining these two lines. This corner is joining these two lines. And similarly, this corner is joining these two lines. And this corner is joining these two lines. So, what do we see here? That corner is something which joins two lines. Alright, so when it comes to shapes, or when we talk about the shapes, we call these corners as vertices. What do we call them? Vertices. Repeat after me. Vertices. Yes, corners, or we can also call them vertices. Alright. So now tell me, what is a side? What is the side of a shape? So now you will say that these are the side of the shape. Yes, of course, these are the sides. But what exactly I am asking? How you will define that this is the side? So for that, you can say that a side joins two corners. Alright, a side joins two corners. If you can see, then this side is joining these two corners, right? And this side is joining these two corners. Then we have this side, and this side is joining these two corners, and similarly here you can see. Okay, so a side is something which joins two corners, and a corner or vertices is something which joins two sides. So, have you got the concept now? Okay, so now ma'am is going to show you some shapes. Okay, firstly, look at this shape. Which shape is this? Tell me. This is a square. How do we call it? Square. Yes, this shape is square. See, how many sides it has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. A square has 4 sides. Now, let's count its corners. How corners does a square have? Can you answer my question? Okay, let's count and then answer it. Okay, 1 corner, 2, 3 and 4. Right? A square has 4 corners. Or what is the other name of corners? Yes, vertices. So we can say a square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Okay? And if you will look at it carefully, then you will find that all the sides of a square are equal. All the sides of a square are equal. Now, let's have a look at the next shape. Okay? Okay, and the next shape is this. Can you tell me which shape is this? Look at this carefully. Yes, this shape is a rectangle. This shape is a rectangle. Okay, let's try to count its sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and how many corners does a rectangle has? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope that you are counting with me, right? So, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, or you can also call them corners. Okay, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. And I'm going to tell you something very important about a rectangle. See, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. See, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay. Now, let's have a look at the next shape. Next shape is this. Tell me which shape is this? Yes, this shape is a triangle. Repeat with me. This shape is a triangle. Triangle. Yes. Now, let's try to count its sides and its vertices. Okay? So, count with me this time. 1, 2, 3. Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. Okay, now let's try to count its corners or vertices. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Yes. So we can say that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So, what is next? Next we have is a circle. Next we have is a circle. What do we have next? It's a circle. Okay? So tell me, can you see any sides? Does circle has any side? No. A circle has no sides and also it has no corners. Okay? A circle has no sides and no corners. Alright? So, I hope that now you all have learned about the 2D shapes. Okay? So, now ma'am is going to show you some examples of these shapes. Alright? So, let's have a look at those examples.
Examples of a square are pillow, windows, and photo frame. Examples of rectangle are mobile, door, and book. Examples of triangle are pizza piece, hanger, and sandwich. An example of circles are burger, button, and pizza.
So kids, now I just hope that all your doubts about 2D shapes are cleared. Okay? So now it's time for some homework. And your homework is that you have to write 5 examples of each type of shape in your math notebook. Alright? So kids, that's it for today and I will see you all in the next learning video. Till then, keep learning and don't forget to keep yourself safe. Okay? Bye bye and take care.